Okay, so we have our 4 shades, largest to smallest. I'm going to move the 2 smallest out of the way. We can work. And then we have the 3 retaining rings. This is the last retaining ring to go on. So I'm going to start with the largest shade here, being very careful not to let this socket hit the side. We're going to put the socket, just feed it up through the top there. Turn the shade on its side. And then very carefully, we're going to feed this shade onto the threaded post. Okay? Once it's on that post, we're going to make sure it's seated all the way down. And then we're going to thread this retaining ring. Once we got it, got a long way to feed it all the way up. But okay, once it's up, just want to make sure you can wiggle your shade a little bit. Just make sure that that's tightened down good. Okay, and then the next largest shade, we're going to do the same thing. We're going to feed it in here, feed it in the socket, and then onto the post. Make sure it's all the way down. Take your other retaining ring, thread it on there. Screw it all the way down. Okay. Great. And then the final shade. We cut it there. Okay, and then you have your final diffuser shade. We're going to do the same thing. We're going to feed it in through the socket over the threaded post. When that's in place, you got your largest retaining ring here. That's going to go inside over the socket. Okay, so I'm tightening this last retaining screw all the way down, and that's also going to hold the socket in place and keep the socket from falling out and dropping out. And that should do it. That's the piece should be complete, ready to hang.